Today on 21st Century Business, explore state-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategies, insights from cutting-edge corporations around the globe, a visionary look into the answers of tomorrow, today. Business leaders, business solutions, 21st Century Business.
Welcome to 21st Century Business. I'm Jackie Bales. 21 years of struggling to work on radio and telephone equipment in outdoor enclosures, battling fierce weather, mice, and vandalism, led Dusty Mahorny to create a remarkable company in Oklahoma. 3 decades later, that company is now a leading provider of NEMA enclosures across the country. We are joined by Christopher Dyer, Vice President of Sales for DDB Unlimited. Thank you so much for being here, Christopher.
Thank you, Jackie.
Sounds like these NEMA enclosures for electrical equipment have to be pretty tough, for one thing. Tell us about the many challenges that your customers face.
Well, not only is the environment and rodent infestation a problem, but also how well the enclosure handles in the field.
So, Christopher, tell us who DDB Unlimited is and how you're solving these problems.
Well, DDB Unlimited is an original equipment manufacturer of NEMA-rated enclosures produced from a special blend of aluminum that is rigid as steel. We achieve complete security and environmental control in an enclosure that is lightweight and easy to work with in the field.
And I would love to hear the story of how DDB got started.
DDB was started as a need arose for a customized, lightweight enclosure that was more secure than an open rack and kept the equipment safe from RF fields being produced outside of the cabinets. Our founder decided to have his own design built rather than buy cumbersome, heavy, off-the-shelf steel cabinets. From that point, DDB Unlimited was formed and started building indoor enclosures for use in telecom shelter applications. Within 6 months of that, we found a huge interest in our product for outdoor applications. This was mainly because most outdoor enclosure manufacturers were still producing their cabinets in steel and were unable or unwilling to customize a solution for each individual customer. And they were still charging that same outrageous price. That take it or leave it attitude is what opened the door for DDB to grow.
And who better to know what they need than the guy doing the work? Let's see these enclosures at work in this 21st Century Business Field Report.
Locating an enclosure manufacturer can be both challenging and expensive. Since 1996, DDB Unlimited has manufactured NEMA-rated weatherproof outdoor enclosures with a solid focus on customer satisfaction.
We're a telecommunications company that uses them for outdoor and indoor applications, specifically guarding electronics, switches, routers, rectifiers. Their versatility has allowed us to use their applications in a host of different areas that a standard product line we couldn't get.
Their design supports solutions that address the damage that can occur from adverse weather conditions and vandalism.
The versatility of being able to dual access, the ability to be able to do a side mount or be able to mount to a platform is an option that most other companies you can't get out of one cabinet design.
DDB Unlimited developed their own aluminum recipe called AlumaFlex. In an ever-changing industry, AlumaFlex stays a step ahead of the competition in cost, weight, and expansion capabilities. For 21st Century Business, I'm Steve Michaels reporting.
As we just saw, Christopher, DDB makes a lot of products. What type of enclosures do you manufacture and what industries do you serve?
We build both indoor and outdoor enclosures for telecommunications, as well as the security and traffic industries.
So indoor and outdoor enclosures, what kind of uses would be an indoor enclosure?
An indoor enclosure is built for inside a telecommunications shelter. Normally inside of a shelter there are several open racks. With an enclosure around your rack, it's actually more secure.
What is it that makes your enclosures different from other companies' enclosures?
Well, our enclosure is built out of a special blend of aluminum that makes it lightweight yet rigid as steel. And then the design of our enclosure is such so that the heat produced from the equipment inside is exhausted out more efficiently.
Just out of curiosity, do you build all your products in the United States?
Yes, ma'am. All our products are made in Oklahoma.
I understand you provide customized enclosures, and you provide customized enclosures to somebody who wants to buy just one, just as well as you do for somebody who wants to place a large order.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you do that?
Well, the way we're able to do that is we control the whole process. Basically, a customer only has to come to us with a concept, and then we create a drawing in a 3D modeling program, And once the customer is okay with what we've drawn, then we can manufacture it, whether it's one or whether it's 1,000.
And how long does it take to make one of these customized enclosures?
A custom box normally takes 3 to 5 weeks, and that's less than half the time of other enclosure manufacturers.
So custom, 3 to 5 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Does a customer need a blueprint or a drawing, something, before they can place an order?
Not necessarily. If a customer comes to us with a concept, we have a fully staffed drawing department that works in SolidWorks 3D drawing, and they can do the drawing themselves.
And what if a client just wants a plain box? Can you do that also?
Yes, ma'am. We have over 40,000 square foot of stock inventory, and in most cases we can ship in less than a week.
You know, we've talked a lot about the history of DDB. What is your vision for DDB, say 5 to 10 years down the road?
Well, Jackie, our vision has always been to develop and produce the highest quality enclosure at the most affordable price. As the telecommunications industry evolves, it's our goal to evolve with it and provide readily available adaptive solutions now and in the future.
Well, it's fascinating how that personal experience so long ago of Dusty's led to the creation of a company that is so cutting edge now in protecting electrical gear. So thank you for sharing the story and the info with us, Christopher.
You're welcome, Jackie.
And thank you for watching. For 21st Century Business, I'm Jackie Bales.